The world has seen the miraculous effects of Ayurveda today. Ayurveda, the science of life, the science of wellness. A legacy so ancient yet so relevant even today. Keeping this timeless practice alive are our frontline warriors, our Vaidyas, the ones who are not just your doctors, but the gurus who have mastered the knowledge of our Vedas. They carry upon their shoulders the responsibility to take the legacy of Ayurveda forward. A Vaidya has the power to look beyond your symptoms and eradicate the root of your problems. When modern science proposes lifetime medication for chronic diseases, a Vaidya comes as a ray of hope for you to lead a medicine-free life. The world has now welcomed the wonder of Ayurveda open-heartedly. With WHO soon to establish the first ever global research center for traditional medicine systems in Gujarat, the onus is now upon our eminent Vaidyas to heal the world with the mystic goodness of Ayurveda. We put our Vaidyas in high regards, and it's time they acknowledge it with pride. It is time for them to say, I am proud to be Vaidya.